Okay, here's how you add a bank account on Payoneer. So from the main page, you want to click on bank accounts. And here we select the first option, which is bank accounts for withdrawal. And you want to select add account. Now from here, we will choose the account type that you have, personal or business. For me, it's going to be personal, as well as the currency that you use on your bank account. Then you click on next, and here you will have to write the name of your bank account as well as your name if you are the account holder, and the IBAN as well. So depending on your country, this may vary, but you should be familiar with the process of filling in bank information. So after you fill in this information as well, you have to check I agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure you read them, and then I confirm that the bank account details above, or I confirm the bank account details above. And then if we press on next, it will ask us to log in with our information. So it will ask us to confirm our Payoneer account details, and then we will be able to add the account. And Payoneer will have to confirm that this is your account, so it might take a little bit of time, but then it should say approved and you can start using your bank account. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.